Mr. Heater forced air kerosene heaters to provide instant heat even in extremely low temperatures. Featuring the best cold weather starting capabilities in the industry. Factory tested for multiple fuel types. They operate on either kerosene, filtered diesel number 1 and number 2, fuel oil number 1 and number 2, or even jet fuel. The 75,000 BTU model with a built-in thermostat heats up to 1,875 square feet quickly and effortlessly. Designed with a split upper shell for easy maintenance. Built-in LED diagnostics. And high output, fully enclosed motor, you can expect a long life and faithful service. Equipped with a high-temperature safety shut-off switch and PhotoCAD cell flame sensor to shut down the unit in unsafe conditions. You'll have peace of mind to focus on the task at hand. The 6-gallon fuel tank with gauge provides up to 11 hours of run time. So whether on the worksite or in the garage, stay comfortably warm while getting the job done. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Operates approximately 11 hours on a full tank. Number 2. Offers fixed heat output of 75,000 BTUs. Number 3. Constructed of rugged, durable steel and has a heavy-duty high-output fan. Number 4. Provides instant heat that is economical. Efficient. Number 5. Includes thermostat. Lighted on, off switch, fuel gauge, 6-function LED diagnostics, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What's the best fuel mix to reduce fumes? Some people are saying mix diesel and kerosene. Answer. Mixing diesel with kerosene can reduce the fumes. It also allows the diesel to work better in colder temperatures. Question number 2. How can you reduce the burnt bad fumes? Answer. It must have adequate combustion and air ventilation to operate properly. This would reduce the fumes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.